SAP installation on the Java system, sorry, Linux, SAP. So NetWeaver 7.5 installation on Linux system on HANA DB. That is on the HANA DB. So same database installation, we know how to install the database and everything. Then on top of, so just HDB LCM, we will install this one. On top of, we need to have the same set of softwares here, SWPM tool here. So here /SAP INST. The only thing is in the Windows, we will double click on the SAP INST, double click on it here. Here we need to do the execution here. Or if you want to use the some other arguments, we can use it, but it's not required. So here what we can do here, just go to here, copy the URL, same, only this is the difference. Remaining things are common. Only starting up the SWPM tool is the difference here. Remaining things are common here. See here, just /SAP INST in the Linux side. The Linux with root user or some other super user, you need to start it here. But Windows, just you double click on the SAP INST, it will start it here. From here, just you need to start it again. Windows, it will directly open the URL in the browser, right? But Linux, so it is asking to open the URL in the browser here. Then open this URL, copy in the browser. So it will ask the user ID and password, right? So here, see how fast we got it here. Here, NetWeaver 7.5, it's a HANA database installation. So it's a Java standard installation, standard, right? So see, that's why Linux systems are very fast compared to the Windows. Linux systems are fast and the secure as well here. So it is going to be installed on the our HANA database, here. Our HANA database are like HANA database details are HDB. Yes. So this is here. What can do preferences, general, security, secure storage locked. Then we can do the delete the content from here. So typical, that is fine. Just want to check the connectivity to the HANA database. That's why I opened the HANA Studio here. So here JVM path, it is asking here JVM path. So here we have the /media and here SAP and here we have the JVM. Then select the JVM path, important here. So here HANA Studio opened. S4 HANA. But what is the instance number of the HANA database? Let me take the duplicate session. It's a 0 only, but 2 index servers are created. It's a 0 only index server. But what is the password? HDB KPS4 and 00. Okay, this is connected. KPS4 and oh, this is also connected. Why previous it's not connected? Yeah. Okay, so this is connected. Everybody, please use this database. If you want to practice HANA Studio, don't install any other databases. Okay, so here JVM, it's taken. Just click on the next button. So Java ONSDPUT, same what we selected previously, right? Same way we need to select all the things here. Slash media. So SAP OSINDP. This is the Java file data units. So OSINDPUT. This is the file. You need to select it. Click on the OK button. So it will verify the all the files which are there in the Linux system. It will verify it here all the. So same way SAP INST. The procedure is same. Installation procedure is either Windows or Linux. It's common. Only thing is the starting of the SWPM tool is so different. It's the Windows. If you double click on the SAP INST inside of the SWPM, it will open the URL in the browser. From here, no need to do that one. See here, yeah. So what you are going to install it here? ADS, then EP core, so any other things you are going to add it here. These all are the Java product instances here. Means it NetWeaver 7.5 as Java, is all the components will come into the picture, right? So if you want to use anything here, you can use it. Just select it here. Most of them ADS, EP, Enterprise Portal, they will use it here. Click on the next button. So here SAP system SID here. So what I can do, N NetWeaver Java NJP. Okay, NetWeaver Java production I am giving here. It's FQDN. We don't have any FQDN. Click on the next button here. So here the different folder it is asking. You can see here OSINDEP. Okay, in the media folder. So password for all the users. So I'm keeping the standard password for Java systems as well. Since we discussed something about already Java, right? So but installation part in the Linux level, I'm showing to everyone. So DB host here, you need to give the carefully here, right? So KPS4 HANA is our DB host name. DB SID is the HDB, and so number of the instance number 00, and system SID and password we have to give it. So then click on the next button here. It will check the connectivity part. So then the exe folder location it is asking here. Means exe folder means executable files kernel. So here we have the kernel. So 1300 is there. 1300 is there. Why it is extracted all? Okay, at least files are there. Fine. So next button, it will read the kernel files here. Oh, IGS exe, IGS helper is missing. Let me select 1400. Yeah, here is there IGS exe, IGS helper. Okay, IGS helper. Yes, all the files are available. Click on the next button. So this is common. This is common. Host agent update is not required. It's already there. So client, see HANA client it is asking. So some other SQL server. So separately SQL server will come for HANA. So manually we have to provide the client. So IMDb client, we have that location, we have to provide it. Click on the next button. So next one it is asking the INST in the media SAP INST data units INST. So next one is the JDMP. So here in the media folder SAP. So JDMP. This is our exports. So here what I'm doing here JDMP. This is the one. So Java schema. Okay, this is the Java schema here. So for HANA, SAP Java 1 is ABAP, SAP ABAP 1. So like that, it will create the schemas here. Okay. So it's creating the one of the new schema that is called the Java schema is creating on top of HANA database here. That we are using the HANA database, not the SQL server. Previously, we used all those things. Now, so for Java, right? So just we use the same like 10 and 11 instance numbers. Click on the so okay. So JC policy common. So no SLD registrations. So OS user is creating. Yes. Okay. So the review parameter section here. In the review parameter section here, you see here the parameters. So whatever the parameters we have given, so typical and all the parameters details we have here, you see. So whatever we have given, all the details we got it here. So click on the next button, then execute service. So now see it is getting installed now. So Java system is getting installed here. So very straightforward in the Linux systems. It will be means straightforward means it's a very speed in the Linux based systems. Windows systems, you know how much it is slow, but Linux, you see, it's very fast. Max, I think, in 20 minutes, this will complete. Put in the Java time. This is the one of the biggest step here. It will take some time. Sometime not, it will take very longer time as well. Sometimes if the system slowness, so it will take some time as well regarding this step. So importing Java dump, this will take time. Once this is done, our system is ready. So we can check the remaining activities like whatever we have not discussed in the UME repointing. and destinations also we created SLD systems coming to the SLD. These things we discussed. So UME repointing, Java patching, Java exports, imports. So those things we will discuss. But only thing is this we have to complete it now. Once the installation is done, Java system is ready, then we can access the URLs. Importing the tables. See, in backend, what it is doing, it is creating the tables and the data is inserting into the tables here. See, rows, 3 rows. So means Java tables are creating under the table, under the schema. So it's doing all those things are doing here. The only thing is it's not showing here. Backend, what it is doing the all the tables, trying to create the table, trying to create the tables. So see, it's doing. So it's creating, importing the entries. All those things are doing in the backend. Okay, in the table level. This is the one. Okay, so this is the Java installation. Same as like in ABAP or Java, any system SAP installation common procedure. So installation is not a big deal. The main thing is like after the installation, what are the things in the application level we are doing? Oh, I think it's done. See, it's already almost it's done installation also. You see, only few steps are left. 50%, 63. So now Java is stopping. Almost Java system is building now. Very fast. So if nothing is showing something here, you can see here, enter the, so passwords, Java, so all the binaries, all these things are getting, setting the permissions, 87, oh, starting the Java engine, Java system is getting started. So only thing is Java system starting, it will take time. ABAP systems will start quickly. Java systems will take some longer time to start it. So only that is the difference here. Java system take minimum 15 to 20 minutes it will take to start the entire Java systems. I think so here deploy the Java components. I think this will take some time, I guess. I think now deployment starting the deployment. Let me try to open the URL http://kp hostname and so file instance number means 51000, right? So this is the one. Oh, let's open Java system. This is also open Java system also open. So now components are deploying here. Now see, but the only thing is services are not available. Why? Because some deployments are happening in the system. So that is the main thing here. So this will take some time. Why? Because since whatever the packages Java we have chosen, right? So this what to install and everything. That will do it here. That will do the deployments here. But that will do in the offline deployments here. Offline means Java will be stopped status there. It's not available. Offline deployment is doing here. So offline deployment is running. Okay, so but this will run offline, but that's fine. Why? Because so it's almost 96% is completed. Only 4% is once this is done. So remaining things are common here. Okay, so this is the URL you can open after the after some time you can open the URL and previously whatever we have done you can do the practice. Okay, so whatever we have done administrator user and so the password is same password